$105,000 is the price of Bitcoin right now. Will it remain exactly the same in the next coming days and exactly this week, or will it dump towards the downside? I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Alright, so this is the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart right over here, and as you already know, it made a new all-time high of $111,000 just a few days ago, and currently it is dumping towards the downside till $105,000. Well, when it was near its all-time high, I told you all that we can see a dump towards the downside in the price of Bitcoin. A small dump, not a major dump, just for a correction only, and exactly that same thing happened. And I did informed this, I did made an analysis about this dump in my previous videos. I hope you can see it on screen right now, right over here. And right now the most important thing is that where the price can go from here this week. Well, obviously I'm always bearish on Bitcoin. Why? Because I've told this a couple of times in my video, because already it's all just a bubble and Bitcoin is just a worthless crypto. It did had some worth earlier, but it got hijacked and it lost all its worth, and all these companies are just trying to accumulate more and more Bitcoin so that they can take control of it, and there is no real use case of Bitcoin left. And obviously right now the price you see $105,000, it is just overvalued a lot. Real price of Bitcoin is maybe $5,000 to $10,000 only, but right now it is just a bubble. So we see the price of Bitcoin so high, but obviously talking about right now, I expect a dump towards the downside, because if I move to the weekly time frame chart, you can clearly see we are seeing back-to-back green candles, weekly green candles. This second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven candles, 7 weeks of consistent pump in the price of Bitcoin, and right now we have seen a bearish engulfing candle. So I expect a dump in the price of Bitcoin in the next coming days and week, because see, this is the important yellow trend line of support. Bitcoin did a breakout of it without a good retest as well, and obviously I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump from here, but let's see what happens. And right now I'm not taking any trade. Why? Because it is obviously near its all-time high, and to be honest it is near nowhere, because see, this is a level of resistance and this is a level of support. Currently it is in middle of nowhere, so I will personally not enter in a trade. Maybe I can enter a trade when the price of Bitcoin reaches all-time high, but obviously that will be a very risky trade. And as I said, if the price of Bitcoin dumps towards the downside for a retest till $90,000 approx, then maybe I can enter in a trade as well. But let's see what happens. But as of now I'm not taking any trade, and I'm personally bearish on Bitcoin in the next coming days and weeks, and this is just my personal analysis. Do comment below what do you guys think. I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and the same thing is with Ethereum as well. As you can clearly see, the price of Ethereum right now is just consolidating. If you have watched my previous video, you already know I told you all that the price of Ethereum will stay inside this zone, and we can see a small dump in the price of Ethereum as well, followed by the price of Bitcoin and followed by the price of Solana, and the same thing is happening. The price of Ethereum right now is struggling to do a breakout of this important zone towards the upside, and right now it is just struggling. And as I said, I am expecting a dump in the price of Bitcoin, and so is with Ethereum, because I hope you can see this important purple support and resistance zone from $2,120 to $2,180. The price of Ethereum did a breakout of it without a retest, so I expect the price of Ethereum to dump towards the downside for a retest. The same with Bitcoin and the same with Ethereum. But as of now I'm just holding on to my long position trade. I hope you remember right over here I entered in a long position trade on Ethereum at $1,500. Most of my position is already closed in profits. Still some of my position is running and I'm trailing my stop loss. So this is just a quick trade update as well on my Ethereum long position. And coming to Solana's chart, and most of the time I only cover Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana because they are the top, I would say, 3 to 4 cryptos, and not many cryptos to analyze, because obviously BNB is already manipulative crypto owned by a centralized exchange, so there's no point. And see, main is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then Solana, because there is a lot of volume on Solana blockchain because of meme coins and other altcoins. So it is important to discuss about Solana. And again, I made a prediction that the price of Solana can fall from here towards the downside, and exactly the same thing happened. I told you all that this is a very important resistance zone for Solana, from $168 to $175 approx. And price of Solana last time also got rejected from here, and I told you all that there are high chances this time also it will get rejected, and the same thing happened. Price of Solana is getting rejected from here, and if this dump continues, see, if this dump continues, then obviously price of Solana again going back all the way down till here, $120 approx, 123. But let's see, it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum only. So yes guys, this is it for today's video, and always, most of the time I only cover Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana because these are the 3 main cryptos I usually trade, because they have a lot of volume and there are incessant price movements in these assets. And I've already shared my analysis with you guys, what I think this week about the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. So let's see what happens. Do comment below what you guys think, and I'll read your comments as well. But I expect a dump in the price of Bitcoin followed by Ethereum and Solana. And yeah, this is pretty much it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, or just buy, you can do that on any crypto exchange. Some of them are in the description below. If you want, you can use them. No pressure promotion. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.